won't happen again. Why did you just pick me up? What?
I'm a movement god.
Same.
So
Same.
he's just insane in the video game. He's too good.
Too good to be true. Yeah.
Oh.
Because if it happens a third time's a charm, I guess. I don't know.
Fight me in the ring of
On
fire.
I mean, that's crazy for real.
Surely, yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say, surely you die before me, right?
I just got uppercutted behind. What? Excuse you. I don't like what I have to do, but I have to do it.
Chokeslam, wrap around,
Like
jump
you-
across the.
Hi.
Damn, how long am I out for? There we go. We're back at it. Oh no.
Okay, Batman, what the fuck was that?
Put me down. Ouchies. No!
Go into the fire, you damn dog. Why do you always turn for air on me whenever you jump kick?
Well, that's awkward.
That's crazy! That's crazy! No, that's actually wild. Game sucks. Wake up, 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 wake up. Wait, wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon.
Tism dinosaur. GG. Oh yeah, that's my card.
Where are you?
You know you can move your camera, right?
You're just gay as shit.
It's just the greatest Party Animals player ever. I don't know.
We haven't gone to the black hole yet. Like,
Ooh.
ooh, buddy. Wake your ass up. Wake your ass up. Yes, stupid ass. Little feetsies.
Kick those little legs.
I just lost my. Why is the dinosaur so fat?
Got a dad bod. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do? What if I just threw us off the edge?
Yeah, dumbass.
Oh, why did it not grab on? Grab onto something. They grabbed onto the bat, you
I got
ass.
I got knocked out by the barrel, bro.
Grabs onto the bat. I'm just
Man,
better.
that's crazy.
I'm just better.
How did you fall?
I was a little quick. Oh, my dog might just be made out of glass.
Why you broke so fast? I wanted to use the boomerang. Not today, buddy. Oh shit.
Today, buddy.
Bad aim. Bad aim. Bad aim. Bad aim. This is right. This is right. I'm dead, bro. I can't even throw to the top. I'm dead. What is that?
Let go. Let go. Let go. How do you let go of things?
Man, that's crazy for real. Oh, thank you. That like doesn't knock you out, like what?
Oh no.
Like what is this bullshit game? Like the absolute dumbass that. Oh damn, why are you a golden doggy? What the fuck?
I don't know.
Why your doggy looks so dumb? Why am I getting back shots? Yeah, dumbass. Burn, doggy, burn.
I'm not done with you yet.
No, excuse you? Yeah, dumbass. No, fight me down here like a man. Oh, you're a pussy.
Why am I sucking the duck? Why am I sucking the duck?
Yo, Clark. I'm burning a lot.
How are you alive?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Yo, we have a dragon in here. He does not want to run the
It's a
one.
moose.
Oh shit. Can I jump up, please? What's going on there, Aaron? Hold on, Aaron. I'm coming back to save you. Actually, not me. You got mad beef.
Let go of me.
Oh. Oh, he's gone.
Big.
Oh, he's gone. Oh, the wind-up was crazy. I'm still knocked out.
He's out of there.
Power up move. Moves.
We did it, duck.
Right. Yeah, targeting.
No, let me go.
Oh,
So much better. So much better. No, did you see what I did?
no.
I grabbed onto them.
Danny plays during the game, yo.
Get out. No, not the monkey. Oh, you put the monkey down.
How's this going on here? Throw it at him. I will drag you towards him. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
So much better. I'm so much better. So much better. Why is this guy here? That's crazy. I win that. I win that. Come on, I win that. I'm better.
What?
I'm so much better. Get up, get up, get up, get up, or don't. That works too. Bills are up 37-10. Bro, my otter just does not want to wake up.
That dog just committed a murder and he's completely fine with it. How the sheriff is looking enough stuff. Kentucky's been on the news a whole lot lately, apparently.